Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to locking my computer, file system, drive C, drive D or any drives without the software. Not need to software implement the districts. Okay, let's go to starting the districts. Go to the runs. Write the documents 3J date. After that, yes. Now display the registry editor. Go to the hockey close root sections. Find the folders. Fine. Now select the folders, just adding the dot extension in folders. Rename the folder. After that, enter. Now closing the registry editor panel. We can go to my computer. Not able to opening my computer, drive C, drive D or any drives. Okay. Trying the two steps to open my computer. Go to the start menu. Click the computer. Display this page computer management. Not access the computer, drive C, drive D or any drive. Okay, go to the 3 steps to open my computer. Press the Win or E in keyboard shortcut. Now this message is display in desktop unspecified error. Last step for open my computer. Go to the disk management. Select the any drive, drive C, drive G or drive E. And drives, just right click the open. Display this message. This file does not have the program associated with the performance. This message is not permission to access my computer. Okay, how can to able to open in my computer drive C or any drives, repair the system default? We can go to run, type the regedit command, regedit. After that, click the OK. Yes. Just remove the extension folder. Rename the folder. Remove the dot extension in folder. Backspace. Just enter. Press the enter. Now closing this panel. We can go to my computer. We can see to all drives able to access. Drive C or any drives we can access to able. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forgetting to subscribe, like